time no see. This time we are going to have an experiment. When you hear the word experiment, what is it about? What does it relate to? Is it about phonics? Is it about math? Is it about art? No, it's about science. So welcome to science class with Teacher Dewi. The experiment that we're going to do today, it involves liquid. Are you curious? Let's check the materials that we need. Hold on. Before we check the materials, let's listen to Mrs. Scientist's explanation about liquid. Hello children, I'm going to explain to you about what liquid is. A liquid is a sample of matter that conforms to the shape of a container in which it is held. These are the examples of liquid: water, honey, vegetable oil, syrup, etc. Some liquids are thicker than the other. It depends on the level of their density. The experiment we're doing today will show us 3-layer density tower. Let's check the materials. We need a transparent empty jar and 3 jars of liquids, which are vegetable oil, water, and honey. The food coloring is optional. Other than that, you will need a rubber band, a coin, a paper clip, and plastic toys of your choice. Now let's start this experiment together. Are you ready?
Yes!
As you see here, Teacher Dewi has an empty jar, some honey, some water, and some vegetable oil. Now let's drop some food coloring into the water so that the water will have color, blue color. Next, we are going to pour the water into the empty jar. Remember, the water first. After that, we will pour the honey. You will see which one that is more dense, the water or the honey. Look, the water goes up. So which one that is more dense? Correct, it's the honey. The last one will be the vegetable oil. Let's pour it slowly, and we will see where will the vegetable oil stay. I'm making it full. Alright, now let's see what is it at the bottom. You see, the honey stays at the bottom, then the water, then the vegetable oil, which means the most dense is the honey, then the water, and the least dense is the vegetable oil. Now we're going to drop some items into the jar. Let's see where they land. We're going to start with a coin. Do you see where the coin is? It's at the bottom. Next is the rubber band. Let's see where it lands. Oh, it lands on the top, on the surface of the vegetable oil. Let's continue with some plastic toys. Teacher Dewi has a toy ring. Let's see where it lands. Let's drop it slowly. Oh, it lands in the blue water. Look, the rubber band is going lower too. Next is a plastic hair clip. Let's drop it slowly. Where does it stay? It stays in the vegetable oil. Next is a paper clip. It goes directly to the bottom. The paper clip and the coin, they stay at the bottom because they are more dense than the liquids. Meanwhile, the plastic toys are less dense than the liquid. Now look, the plastic hair clip went lower. It stays in the blue water. So the conclusion is the items that are made of metal are more dense than the liquids. And the other items that are made of plastic, which are less dense, they stay in the water. Meanwhile, there is nothing in the vegetable oil because the density of the items are higher than the vegetable oil.
So children, how was your experiment? Did it succeed? I hope so. We will meet again for another experiment in science class. Goodbye now.